So in this video, I'm just going to be going over real quick for people that are a big coffee drinker in the morning. And if you want to add some protein to that, all you're going to do is use 1 scoop of protein for 1 cup of coffee. This right here is chocolate peanut butter, but they do have actual flavor. It's cafe mocha, which I ran out of at the moment right now, but it basically has the same macros in it. You're going to have 130 calories, 2 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbohydrates. This one has 2 grams of fiber in it and 24 grams of protein. And then I just use a K-cup donut shop coffee. Again, you can use any flavor you want, just don't use anything that has calories in it. Regular donut shop, this one doesn't have any calories in it at all, and you're just going to use a Keurig, or if you make it the normal way, you can just make it the normal way and do the same thing, but you're just going to add 1 scoop of protein in it. I like mine to be an iced coffee, so I put ice in it before I make it and make it a nice coffee, but it definitely makes it taste a lot better. You don't have to use any coffee creamer or anything like that. You're going to get a lot of flavor just from the protein powder itself. So putting 1 scoop in for each cup of coffee, and the coffee with the caffeine in it already is not going to make you that hungry. So adding that protein in it, it's going to help fill you up. And if you're a person that can't really get a full meal in the day because you're waking up and trying to run to work real early and you're a coffee person, this is a way to get some protein in your coffee. It's quick and easy, and definitely will help you out when you're trying to maintain, losing weight, trying to stay lean. So I just wanted to make this quick and fast video real fast, just to show you how to add some protein to your coffee. And again, I have pumpkin spice, and if you are a pumpkin spice person that likes to drink that instead of buying actual pumpkin spice creamer, just add the pumpkin spice protein powder to it. It's gonna really help you your protein goals for the day when you can't make a meal in the morning because you're trying to run to work. And so adding that protein in it, it's going to help fill you up. And if you're a person that can't really get a full meal in the day because you're waking up and trying to run to work real early and you're a coffee person, this is a way to get some protein in your coffee. It's quick and easy, and definitely will help you out when you're trying to maintain, losing weight, trying to stay lean. So if you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you're notified of any other new videos that are coming out to help you try to maintain your weight, lose weight, just quick and easy meals that are going to help you try to just hit your maintenance goals for the day if you're trying to lose weight or whatever the case is. So again, thank you for watching my video and have a great day.